Hi everyone, I'm Nitich, and in today's video, we're diving into some essential digital marketing tips that will help you stand out in the crowded online world. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about your website. It's your digital storefront, so make sure it's optimized for both desktop and mobile users. Ensure your website loads quickly, is easy to navigate, and has a clean, professional design. Don't forget to use SEO best practices to improve your search engine rankings. Keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text for images are your best friends here. Next, leverage the power of social media. Each platform has its unique audience, so tailor your content accordingly. Create engaging posts, use hashtags strategically, and interact with your followers. Remember, consistency is key. Posting regularly keeps your audience engaged and helps you build a loyal community. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. It's one of the most effective ways to reach your audience directly. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters with valuable content, exclusive offers, and updates. Personalize your emails to make your subscribers feel special and connected to your brand. Content is king. High-quality content can set you apart from the competition. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, make sure your content is informative, engaging, and provides value to your audience. This not only attracts visitors but also establishes your authority in your industry. Finally, always analyze and adapt your strategies. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your performance. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't, and be ready to adjust your tactics accordingly. The digital landscape is always changing, so flexibility is crucial. So, there you have it, our top digital marketing tips to help you succeed online. Remember, digital marketing is a journey, not a destination. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep connecting with your audience. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy marketing!